Hi YouTube. Okay, so today we're making this random video. I don't even know why we're making this. She just kind of told me to make it. She also told me that I have to talk, so she's the one doing this. Random people. How was that? I don't know. She probably doesn't even know. Okay, so now we're going to my dim. What's next, huh? Wolf people. Oh, okay, so we're over here now. I don't know what I'm doing. What are we doing? Okay, I'm following. I know you press it. I know. You press, I get smashed. Whippy! Okay. Gosh. People. Yeah, I'll do it to you is what I'll do. I'm moving! Why am I making this video? I don't know. Leaping. Why am I talking? Ben? She's not gonna answer me. Okay, so now she's jumping. I don't get the point here. Okay, so now we're dancing. I'm gonna end this video. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, before we go, let's do something. No, hold on. I'm gonna send a message to her. They know. Great. To me. No offense. What is this thing? Okay, so I'm gonna just send her some random stuff. Yay. I like sending people random stuff. It's fun. Okay. Send. Oh, where'd she go? There she is. Whoa, what happened to her? Ah! Oh, I forgot to turn music off. There we go. Huh? Hold on, I'm leaving this.